Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rock candy using an easy method. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need 4 cups of granulated sugar, 2 cups of water, and your favorite food coloring and flavor extracts. Also, prepare some wooden skewers or cotton string with paper clips attached to one end. These will be the foundation for your beautiful crystals. Next, we'll create our supersaturated sugar solution. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of water with 4 cups of granulated sugar. Heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring continuously until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. It's crucial not to let the solution boil, as this can hinder the formation of large, beautiful crystals later on. Now let's prepare for crystal growth. Carefully pour the warm sugar solution into clean, tall glass jars. This is where you can add a few drops of vibrant food coloring, perhaps red or blue for a fun theme, and about 1/4 teaspoon of your chosen flavor extract. Gently suspend your prepared skewers or strings into the solution, ensuring they do not touch the bottom or sides. Finally, the waiting game begins. Place your jars in a cool, undisturbed spot where they won't be jostled. Over the next 5 to 7 days, you'll observe beautiful crystals forming and growing on your skewers. Once your rock candy reaches the desired size, carefully remove it from the solution, let it drain, and then allow it to dry completely on parchment paper. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.